Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Bang Bang Shrimp. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili sauce. You're also going to need 1 pound of shrimp. I'm going to be using large cooked shrimp. And then you also need 1 egg, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of panko crumbs, and then half a cup of cornstarch. You're also going to need half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt, and also half a teaspoon of dried parsley. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to be doing is making the sauce for the shrimp. So first you're going to put in half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili sauce, and then the 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. And then we're going to mix them in together and then set them aside. Okay, so after making the sauce and setting it aside, in a different bowl, you're going to put half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. I'm using plain panko breadcrumbs. And then half a cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of cornstarch. And you're going to mix those together and set them aside. Now, you can also add the parsley, salt, pepper, and the garlic powder to this mixture. But I like to actually sprinkle it on after I put it on the shrimp and just press it in. But you can do either way. You're just going to mix everything together and then set this aside. And then in a separate bowl, you're just going to go ahead and crack your egg and then mix it very well. Then you're just going to go ahead and dip your shrimp in the egg wash, and then you're going to dip it in the flour, breadcrumb, and cornstarch mix, and make sure you coat it very well, and then just put it on a different platter, and you're going to do that to all the pieces of shrimp. Okay, so I've coated my shrimp with the cornstarch mixture, and now I'm going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of the dry parsley, and I'm going to press it into the shrimp. I have some canola oil preheated, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start frying the shrimp until it's a golden color. So the shrimp has been frying for less than a minute, and now I'm just going to go ahead and place it on a paper towel on my platter. This is what the shrimp looks like after frying it. Now you're just going to go ahead and add the sauce to the shrimp. You can go ahead and just toss your shrimp inside the bowl, but I like to do it this way so not too much sauce gets on it and it doesn't get soggy. Okay, so this is what the shrimp will look like after adding the sauce, and now I'm just going to go ahead and plate it. So I've cut up some lettuce, and then I placed the shrimp on top of the lettuce, and I also added some chopped green onions on top, and this is the final look of Bang Bang Shrimp. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.